all Android phone, smartphone, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, Realme, Symphony, Walton, Aurora Launcher launcher problem. Very easy solution without any computer or PC. Close system, close app, reset option, close app, wait 3 minutes. This mobile is Walton Primo RX7 Mini. All mobile, same method, same rules. Any mobile launcher problem, launcher solution without software, without any box, without any computer or laptop. Just go to setting and go factory reset. Next OK. Then start, skip, then skip, continue, then next, more and more, accept, then skip anyway. Okay, very easy. Okay, done.